Today's lesson is on solving inequalities using multiplication or division. First, we'll solve an inequality using multiplication. So solve the inequality and graph the solution. So for number 1, we have p divided by 3 is greater than 2. Since we are dividing by 3 in the problem, we will multiply both sides by 3 to solve. Now on the left-hand side, we just have p, and then our inequality is greater than, and 2 times 3 is 6. So p is greater than 6. Now I'll go ahead and write 6 on my number line, and to the right I can have 7 and 8, and to the left of 6, 5 and 4. Now I need to find 6 on the number line, and since my symbol is greater than, I will have an open circle at 6, and the numbers that are greater than 6 are the numbers to the right, so I will shade to the right. Now for number 2, we have q divided by 6 is less than or equal to 5. Since we're dividing by 6 in the problem, we need to multiply both sides by 6 to solve. On the left-hand side, we just have q, and then we have is less than or equal to, and 5 times 6 is 30. Now I'll go ahead and write 30 on my number line, and to the right I have 31 and 32, and to the left I'll have 29 and 28. Now at 30, I will have a closed circle because my symbol is less than or equal to, and the numbers that are less than or equal to 30 would be to the left. So I will shade to the left. Now for number 3, I have 1 is less than s over 7, or s divided by 7. Since I'm dividing by 7, I'm going to multiply by 7 to solve. I'll do this on both sides. Now on the left-hand side, I have 7 times 1, which is 7. And then I have is less than, and on the right-hand side, I just have s. So 7 is less than s. I can rewrite this to put my variable first. So I would have s is greater than 7. Because if 7 is less than s, then s is greater than 7. Now I'll go ahead and fill out my number line. So I have 7, and to the right I'd have 8 and 9, and to the left I have 6 and 5. Now at 7, I will have an open circle because my symbol is greater than, and the numbers greater than 7 will be the numbers to the right. So I will shade to the right. Now we're going to look at solving an inequality using division. So we'll solve the inequality and then graph the solution. So for number 4, we have 11k is less than or equal to 33. Since we're multiplying 11 times k, we will divide by 11 on both sides to solve. On the left-hand side, we just have k, and then our symbol is less than or equal to, and 33 divided by 11 is 3. Now we need to fill out the number line. So I'll have 3 on the number line, and then to the right I have 4 and 5, and to the left I have 2 and 1. My symbol is less than or equal to, so at 3 we will have a closed circle, and then we will shade to the left, because those are the numbers that are less than or equal to 3. Now let's look at number 5. We have 50 is less than or equal to 2m. We are multiplying 2 times m, so we will divide both sides by 2 to solve. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So we have 25 is less than or equal to m. And now we need to rewrite this so that our variable is first. So we would have m is greater than or equal to 25. Remember that if we reverse the number in our variable, we also have to change the sign, with reverse the sign. So if 25 is less than or equal to m, that means that m is greater than or equal to 25. Now let's go ahead and look at our number line. So we have 25, and then to the right we have 26 and 27, and to the left we have 24 and 23. So now at 25, we will have a closed circle because our symbol is greater than or equal to, and the numbers greater than or equal to are the numbers to the right, so we'll shade to the right. And now for number 6, we have 5j is greater than 20. We are multiplying 5 times j, so we will divide by 5 to solve. So we'll divide on both sides. On the left-hand side, we just have j. Our symbol is greater than, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So j is greater than 4. Now we'll fill out the number line. So we have 4, and then 5 and 6 on the right-hand side. Left-hand side, we have 3 and 2. Now at 4, we will have an open circle because our symbol is greater than, and the numbers greater than 4 would be the numbers to the right. So we'll shade to the right.